Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more congenial type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. History of Dogecoin. Bitcoin and numerous other digital currencies are figured out to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary forms. Dogecoin's cost has enormous potential, with the sort of distinction rising. Dogecoin's presence is immense contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. In this way, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the prominence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced cash is dynamic and firm worth wins around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized examination. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market, there is a fair future. Be that as it may, nothing can be sure in the digital money space, and this is where our digital currency cost gauge comes into the image. Dogecoin's all-out market cap is exchanging around $15,648,660,186 and is currently the 8th greatest advanced cash on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is at around 11 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,457,409,047. The ongoing inventory is at $132,670,764,300 Doge, while the complete coursing supply is $132,670,764,300. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a massive change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have stamped extreme changes as of late. The Doge cost developed over 100% in 7 days. The Doge's cost destitute the prompt opposition with next to no obstacles. In any case, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin cost is presently somewhat beneath the opposition. Yet, specialized pointers propose that the image coin will start a positive excursion in the future. Will VON 14.6 overhaul affect Doge's cost? As indicated by our investigation and Doge expectations, the cost of Doge might not have an extremely impressive impact because of the VON 14.6 update. The redesign most certainly has gotten a great deal of enhancements its organization and environment. Yet the cost remained in a similar reach as it was before. As of late, the cost saw a tremendous ascent. Yet that was more a direct result of Elon Musk's help for Twitter and his Twitter takeover. The greater part of the redesigns in the organization or biological system can impact the cost for the extremely present moment and not as long as possible. The most that influence the Doge's cost are the market opinions and the most recent news. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on numerous events. Elon Musk's persistent help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and for sure, financial backer feeling viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As indicated by the investigation, Doge's cost will support in the event that the hypotheses work out. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most outstanding crypto resources. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise speculation, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around 1 cent in 2023. Though the specialized examination and Dogecoin value forecast of advanced coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 15 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unequaled high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly likewise foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $2.08 by 2030. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2022. In view of the Doge cost expectation, the base, greatest, and normal costs are supposed to be 8 cents, 12 cents, and 10 cents, separately, considering any remaining variables being steady. In 2022, the general value change may be dramatic, according to our Dogecoin cost expectations. Dogecoin expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and future cost activity, the most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 25 cents, though the normal cost may be 19 cents, and the base cost may be 12 cents in view of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of 2022. Dogecoin expectations 2024. According to the Doge value expectation and specialized examination, the typical cost may be 23 cents in 2024, while Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 18 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025, the coin could have a greatest and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents, while the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin is preparing to break out above $1. $sign Doge to 90 cents is unavoidable. I accept #Doge will get to $1 later on. My forecast is that #Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter soon here and there. This will naturally acquaint north of 200 million clients with #Doge, giving them motivation to involve it and enhancing the cryptographic money overall. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a decent inflationary cash, which makes it inseparable from certifiable government-issued money. This exceptional trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to accumulate substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity, since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With huge load of cash driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see an extensive flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. Nonetheless, our speculation counsel is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As per our cost forecast and breaking down past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. However, the costs will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Indeed, Doge is a wise venture, according to our Dogecoin value forecast and ongoing positive thinking after Elon Musk purchased stakes in Twitter. The most recent Dogecoin news proposes that the commitment to the ascent of the Dogecoin digital currency generally emerged because of Elon Musk's impact. Notwithstanding, financial backers are mentioned to do their own exploration to stay away from the high gamble associated with Dogecoin. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As per our Dogecoin cost forecast, the Doge costs might arrive at a limit of 71 cents by 2030, while the base and normal costs might be 60 cents and 66 cents individually. Nonetheless, your speculation choices ought to be founded on your objectives. Where to purchase Dogecoin? To purchase Dogecoin, you have different choices like Dogecoin wallets, PayPal, and cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, and some more. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2025? Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025 uncovers the greatest Doge cost might be around 39 cents, proposing a hopeful future, while the typical Dogecoin cost might be around 34 cents. What is the eventual fate of Dogecoin? The eventual fate of Dogecoin